What if you could get the benefits of a 1-hour run in just 10 minutes? Meet the Sedozik vibration plate, your ultimate hack to fast fat burning. Driven by a high-performance motor, its deep, full-body vibrations stimulate muscle contraction, helping you sculpt, tone, and blast calories fast. It's not just for fitness. It's your at-home solution for aches and pains. It boosts circulation and targets sciatica, muscle soreness, and knee pain. Super easy to operate. Control your speed and time effortlessly with the sleek touch panel or the convenient remote control without bending down. Want more fun? Connect your phone via Bluetooth and enjoy your favorite workout tracks through the built-in speakers while you vibrate away the stress. Ready to transform your fitness routine from the comfort of home? Click the Amazon link below and claim your Sedozik vibration plate today.